I said it to myself, if I did not do video on how I come up with this beauty, at first I was thinking that will it come out well, because it's kind of off color. But after I did it, I was like, wow, this is beautiful, and my client like it. So I'm fixing fringe on this fabric the way you see me doing it. So I use size 4 crystal bead and a raindrop crystal bead on this fabric to do the fringe, and I use size 6 for the upper side that I'm going to show you at the end of this video. So stay to the end of the video to see the outcome, how beautiful it is. So I'm going to do a proper tutorial on how to do this particular fridge. Yes, it's not hard, it's just the way I'm going to do it, but I'm going to start it from the beginning to the end. Yes, that is why I said I'm going to do a proper video for this. So do watch till the end and see the beauty. So here is the beauty we created. Do you love it? Thank you for watching. Bye.